Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an Instagram public page. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture, then the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy, then Account Type and Tools, and finally switch to Professional Account. This is the essential first step to making your page public and accessible to a wider audience. Once you've initiated the switch, Instagram will guide you through a few steps. You'll choose a category that best describes your page, like blogger or artist. Then, decide if you're a business or creator. Businesses often sell products, while creators focus on content. Finally, review your contact details. These can be displayed on your profile for easy communication with your audience. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable, perfect for long days creating content or just relaxing. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your professional account set up, it's time to optimize your profile. Your bio is crucial. Make it engaging and clearly state what your page is about. Choose a high-quality profile picture that is easily recognizable, perhaps your logo or a clear headshot. Don't forget to add a link to your website or another important destination in your bio. This helps drive traffic and engagement. Now, let's talk about content and engagement. Consistency is key, so plan a regular posting schedule. Utilize relevant hashtags to ensure your content reaches a broader audience interested in your niche. Actively engage with your followers by responding to comments and direct messages. Building a community around your page is vital for long-term growth and success on Instagram.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.